Hey friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make a ketchup-less meatloaf. And it's actually one of my favorite things to make. So I'm going to be making this with some mashed potatoes. So I'm going to slice and dice all of those and peel the skin. I know they look scary, but you can still use potatoes when they sprouted. It's fine. It's fine. It's all fine. I got it under control. And then some green beans as well. So very simple recipe. All you need is some ground beef, an onion, pepper, breadcrumbs, but I just use my sourdough bread and crumble it up in there. 1 egg. Ours is fresh from the chicken's butt, so I need to wash it. And then salt, pepper, and I add a little bit of garlic powder. So let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my egg, and yes, it is washed, so it is cleansed now. It doesn't have remnants of chicken butt on it, but crack that bad boy open. And then we're gonna add our meat, and then we're gonna squash it all together, which I realize my bowl is a poor choice of a bowl. It is very small. Ah! Yeah. Well. I'm sorry to anyone watching if this really grosses them out, but it's necessary to make a meatloaf, so... I mean, if you have a KitchenAid, you probably could do that too. Or just use a bigger bowl. Because I messed up and used a very small cereal bowl. It was one of my poor decisions today. All right, it's kind of squished in there. It's one way to do it. All right. Now that it's in there, nice and well, I'm preheated my oven for 350, so this is gonna go in for about an hour, and next we're gonna work on the potatoes. Okay, so my hack for potatoes is to not do them and to put them in the Instapot. Because yes, you can boil them on the stove. Has that ever gone well for me? No, it has not. So I'm gonna peel all of these. I'm gonna wash them, peel them, dice them and slice them, then put them in the Instapot and the manual setting for 24 minutes. But I usually do the meatloaf, get that all set first, just so that way it can get in the oven and get going, because my Instapot takes a minute to pressurize. So yes, it only takes 24 minutes to do it, but it usually needs like 15 minutes to pressurize. I don't know if it's supposed to take that long, but it does. Okay friends, I wish potatoes peeled and chopped at the speed of time lapse, but it does not. It takes forever. Well, it didn't take that long. It took like 10 minutes. I think this whole prep took me like 20 minutes, so it's not bad. So now that they're cut up, I'm gonna dump about a cup or so of water in the bottom of it so they can steam and pressurize and do what they do in a Instapot. And then, like I said earlier, I'm gonna set it for manual for 24 minutes, and then we will whip them up. The potatoes are done. Oh. Now we mash them. Okay, so actually I had to drain the potatoes first, but we're gonna smash them now. You need some milk and butter and some salt, but the secret ingredient to making good mashed potatoes, as you can tell that my house is falling apart because it's dinner time, is sour cream. That's what's gonna help my house not fall apart, is sour cream. So we smash. So, as much as I would love to show you the finished final product, I can't promise anything because 5 o'clock things get real crazy around here. Feeding both boys, my husband getting home from work, and tonight we're going to a basketball game. So, lots of crazy things happening. Well, I guess. But I did make the mashed potatoes. They look fluffy and fabulous. And I am doing the green beans on the, if you can, my hand is shaky. There's green beans on the stove that I'm heating up from a can, nothing too fancy. And the meatloaf has like 15 minutes left on it, so. This is a super easy dinner to do. It's like one of those that you can just leave and forget about it for the most part. A lot of it is just food.
Can you tell me?
Yeah, what do you think? Is that your it's good face? Yeah. Okay, well. Hope that was helpful and gave you some ideas for a midweek dinner. And yeah, if you liked this, don't forget to like and subscribe on the videos, and I will see you guys next time.